5.5 exercise. Up to 10th question completed. Factorize 27 a power 3 plus 64 b power 3. ఓకే నాకు అక్కడ ప్లస్ అండి, ప్రీవియస్ క్లాస్లో మైనస్ అని చెప్పాను, మీరు ప్లస్లో అయినా తీసుకొని చేయండి, నో ప్రాబ్లం. అప్పుడు ఏమవుతుందండి, ఏ క్యూబ్ ప్లస్ బీ క్యూబ్ దట్ ఈక్వల్ టు ఏ ప్లస్ బి ఇంటూ ఏ స్క్వేర్ మైనస్ ఏబీ ప్లస్ బీ స్క్వేర్. లైక్ దట్. సీ ద 11th one. Factorize 27 x power 3 minus 9xyz. Okay, you want to do the factorization. It is in the form of a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. This is in the identity. See here, a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc equal to a plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ab minus bc minus ca. Okay na, that is the identity formula. Like that one to do. See, what is the a value? What is the a cube unnadi ikkada 27 x power 3 undi, so it will be written as ela raichandi dani 3x whole power 3 raichu kada, 3x whole power 3 that equal to a value ఏమవుతుందండి 3x. so a is equal to 3x. అక్కడ 27x power 3 is there, so I am writing in the whole power x power 3 power 3 x power 3. so powers అనేటి సేమ్ ఉంటాయి కదండి, హోల్ పవర్ పెట్టచ్చు. సో 3x whole power 3 like that, 3x whole power 3 in the a place what they have 3x. okay na, ఏమైనా నెక్స్ట్ స్టెప్ లో రాసుకోండి. it will be written as see 3x whole power 3 raita plus y power 3 plus z power 3 minus 9 into 3 into 3x into y into z. okay na, see here a power 3, what is the a value 3x, b value y, c value z, so minus 3 a b c. what is the a value 3x, what is the b value y, what is the c value z. like that you want to do. okay now what is the a value? See, a is equal to 3x, b equal to y, what is the c equal to z. so it is in the form of identity only, no? a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. okay na, it is in the form of identity only. so substituting in the values of identity, substituting identity lo our values of a and m raichandi 3x, b means y, c means z. like that 3x whole power 3 plus y power 3 plus z power 3. okay na, ikkada మల్టిపుల్ ఉంది కాబట్టి 3x అని బ్రాకెట్ వేసానండి. ఓకేనా, ఇక్కడ ఓన్లీ సింగిల్ వాల్యూ ఉంది కాబట్టి y అని బ్రాకెట్ లేదు. ఓకేనా, బ్రాకెట్ అయినా యూజ్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. మైనస్ 3 ఇంటూ వాట్ ద a వాల్యూ 3x ఇంటూ వాట్ ద b వాల్యూ y, వాట్ ద c వాల్యూ z, దట్ ఈక్వల్ టు a plus b plus c దట్ ఈక్వల్ టు 3x plus y plus z into a square means y square. Plus y square అంటే a square plus b square plus c square కదండి. Write down here as z square into here ఇక్కడే రాస్తున్నాను. c a plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square కదా. c square అంటే ఏంటంటే z square plus c square. ఓకేనా? a square plus b square plus c square minus ab అంటే 3 into a into b ఏముందంటే into y minus bc అంటే y into z minus CA అంటే z into 3x. ఓకేనా? z into 3x. So what is the value? That equal to 3x plus y plus z into 3x whole square means 9x square plus y square plus z square minus 3xy minus yz minus z 3xz. Okay na? Minus 3xz minus 3xz last term. So like that. Any common is there? Nothing is there. So like that you want to do the problem. Factorize. See the next one. 12th one. Verify the x power 3 plus y power 3 plus z power 3 minus 3xyz equal to 1 by 2 into x plus y plus z into in the brackets x minus y whole square plus y minus z whole square plus z minus x whole square. You want to verify means substitute any values. X equal to 1, y is equal to 2, z equal to 3, like that. See the 12th one. You want to verify x power 3 plus y power 3 plus z power 3 minus 3xyz equal to 1 by 2 of x plus y plus z into x minus y whole square plus y minus z whole square minus plus z minus x whole square. Z minus x whole square. You want to verify means substitute the any values, any natural numbers. X equal to 1, y is equal to 2, z equal to 3. Natural numbers are integers substitution, no problem. See, x value 1 power 3 plus 2 power 3 plus 3 power 3 minus 3 into brackets, simple same lekapothe into andi. So 1 into 2 into 3 that equal to 1 by 2 of x plus y plus z kada. So 1 plus 2 plus 3. Next see x minus y whole square means 1 minus 2 whole square, like that, plus next 2 minus 3 whole square, like that, plus what is the z value? 3 minus 1 whole square. Okay, now see. What is the value? 1 power 3 means 1 only, plus 2 power 3 means 8, plus 27 minus 3 3 are 9, 9 2 18 equal to 1 by 2 of 5 plus 6 into 1 minus 2 whole square means it will become minus 1 whole square means 1 only, 1 power anything 1 only. The minus 1 whole square. Even power on ఏమవుతుందంటే minus అనేది positive. So plus next 2 minus 3 whole square. 2 minus 3 means minus 1. Minus 1 whole square means it is also 1. Like that, plus 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1. 1 no 2 2 3 3 1. Okay. 3 minus 1 whole square means 2 square, that equal to 4 will come. Like that, what is the value? 35 minus 1. Sorry, plus 1, 36. 36 minus 18, 18. So the value is 18. Here 2 ones, 2 threes. What the value? 3. 3 into 1 plus. So the value is 6. 6. That equal to 18 equal to 6 threes 18. 18 equal to 18 means equal వచ్చింది కదండి. So the identity is correct only. Okay నా ఆ ఐడెంటిటీ అనేది ఆ ఈక్వేషన్ అనేది కరెక్ట్ అని చెప్పొచ్చండి ఆ ఫార్ములా. సో ఇది సేమ్ అదే ఫార్ములా అండి. ఏమంటే 1/2 ఇక్కడ 1/2 ఏమవుతుందంటే ఇక్కడ a మైనస్ b హోల్ స్క్వేర్ అంటే a స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ b స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ మైనస్ 2ab కదా. a స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ b స్క్వేర్ అలాగే ఉంటుందండి. ఇక్కడ నెక్స్ట్ y స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ z స్క్వేర్ మైనస్ 2 మైనస్ yz. నెక్స్ట్ z స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ x స్క్వేర్ మైనస్ xz. ఇక్కడ ఉన్న x స్క్వేర్ y స్క్వేర్ లాస్ట్ లో ఉన్న x స్క్వేర్. ఓకేనా 2x స్క్వేర్స్ వస్తాయండి. ఓకేనా 2x స్క్వేర్స్ 2y స్క్వేర్స్ 2z స్క్వేర్స్ వస్తాయి. నెక్స్ట్ ఇక్కడ మైనస్ 2a మైనస్ 2xy మైనస్ 2yz మైనస్ xz అక్కడంతా 2 కామన్ చేయొచ్చు. ప్రీవియస్ లో ఉన్న 2xy 2yz 2z స్క్వేర్ ఆ వాల్యూస్ లో కూడా 2 కామన్ ఇచ్చు. అంటే టోటల్ గా దీంట్లో అంతా 2 అనేది ఉంటుందండి. సో 2 కామన్ ఇస్తే కదా ఆ 2 అనేది ఈ 2 తో డివిజన్ అయిపోయి క్యాన్సిల్ అయిపోతుందండి. క్యాన్సిల్ అయిపోయి మళ్ళీ సేమ్ ఈక్వేషన్ వస్తుంది మనకి. Okay, not the value x plus y plus z into x square plus y square plus z square minus ఏమొస్తుందండి x minus x y minus yz minus xz like that. Okay, now see the next one, 13th one. See the 13th one. X plus y plus z equal to 0. Show that x power 3 plus y power 3 plus z power 3 equal to 3xyz. This question is important. They given for you x plus y plus z equal to 0. Okay now. Given that, you want to show that x power 3 plus y power 3 plus z power 3 is equal to 3xyz. You want to show that. See, ఇక్కడ స్క్వేరింగ్ చేస్తే ఓకేనండి. ఆన్సర్లో ఎలా ఉందండి x power 3 means cubing. You want to do the cube. I don't know the formula of a cube plus b cube plus c, sorry, a plus b plus c whole power 3 మనకు తెలియదు కదండి వాల్యూ. So there is no identity. So one term by coming to RHS it will become minus z. ఏదో ఒక టర్మ్ అండి. x minus y, sorry, x plus y plus z is there. by going to that side minus z. Next, cubing on both sides. It will become x plus y whole power 3 is equal to minus z whole power 3. Okay na? A plus b whole square that equal to x power 3 plus y power 3 plus 3 into xy into x plus y. See, by coming to inside that ఏమవుతుందంటే 3x square y plus 3x y square same formula అండి. ఓకేనా? that equal to minus z whole power. See, cubing అనేది inside సేమ్ అవుతుందండి. సో minus z ఓకేనా? మైనస్ అనేది ఆడ్ పవర్ ఉంది కాబట్టి మైనస్ వస్తుందండి. సో z power 3 like that. See here x plus y plus y ని రీప్లేస్ చేసుకోవచ్చండి. వాట్ ఇస్ x plus y వాల్యూ మైనస్ z ఇక్కడ రీప్లేస్ చేసుకుంటాము. సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేయండి ఇక్కడ. సో x power 3 plus y power 3 plus 3xy into x plus y plus ఏం రాయొచ్చండి minus z. ఓకేనా? minus z that equal to minus z whole power 3. Okay na? Next plus into minus will come. So minus 3xyz. Okay na? X power 3 plus y power 3 that equal to same minus z power 3. In RHS side minus z power 3 is there. By coming to LHS it will become plus z power 3. See here minus 3xyz is there in LHS side. By going to RHS it will become plus 3xyz like that. So x power 3 plus y power 3. Okay na? This side is plus z power 3. We are having minus 3xyz equal to 0. Okay na? ఇక్కడ ఉన్న RHS లో ఉన్న వాల్యూని LHS side తీసుకొని వచ్చామండి. ఓకేనా? In LHS side I have minus 3xyz. So by going to RHS it will become plus x power 3 plus y power 3 plus z power 3 equal to 3xyz. Like that you want to do. See the next one. Without actual calculating the cubes, find the value of each of the following. Okay na? Don't do directly. It is in the form of minus 10 whole power 3 plus 7 power 3 plus 3 power 3. ఇప్పుడే చేసాం కదండి. ఎలా ఉందంటే అది x power 3 plus y power 3 plus z power 3 equal to 3xyz like that form, like that identities. Okay na? ఈ ఐడెంటిటీ బేస్ చేసుకొని ఆ రో మనం మొత్తం చేయాలండి. See here minus 10 7 3. So it is in the form of a power 3 plus b power 3 plus c power 3. A cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to 3abc. మనం 2 years and previous problem 2 years show that one. So what is the a value? Minus 10. What is the b value? 7. What is the c value? 3. Okay, substitute in the identity. So minus 10 whole power 3 plus 7 power 3 plus 3 power 3 that equal to 3 into what is the a value? Minus 10. What is the b value? 7. What is the c value? 3. So the value is plus into minus minus all places only. So minus 7. 3 3 are 9. 9 7 is 63. 630. 0 is there. So 630 minus 630 minus 630. Like that you want to do the previous next problem. Second one also same. Do same like that. See the third one and fourth one. See the third one and fourth one. That is the fourth problem. See, a cube plus b cube plus here not having the plus and here minus only. So minus can local substitute. See here 1 by 2 whole power 3 plus 1 by 3 whole power 3. See plus into minus 5 by 6 whole power 3. Minus 1 whole power 3 means minus only. So plus into minus, only minus also. Like that. See what is the a value? A equal to 1 by 2. What is the b value? 1 by 3. What is the c value? Minus 5 by 6. Okay. Substitute in the identity. So a power 3 and 1 by 2 whole power 3 plus 1 by 3 whole power 3 plus minus 5 by 6 whole power 3 is equal to 3 into 3 into what the a value? 1 by 2 into 1 by 3 into minus 5 by 6. Okay, no, minus 5 by 6. Any cancellation? 3 3. So the value is plus into minus minus. Minus numerator 5 by 12 the denominator. So 1 by 2 whole power 3 plus 1 by 3 whole power 3 plus minus 5 by 6 whole power 3 equal to minus 5 by 12. Okay, now that is the value. Like that. See the next one. C is the power of a cube plus b cube plus c cube. So ikkada second term lo minus undi kadadi. See here 0.2 whole power 3 plus minus 0.3 whole power 3 రాసుకోవచ్చు కదండి plus 0.1 whole power 3. See here minus power 3 means minus only. See plus into minus minus. same. So for the a value 0.2, for the b value 0.3, for the c value 0.1. Okay, like that. Substitute in the identity. 0.2 whole power 3 plus minus minus 0.3 whole power 3 plus 0.1 whole power 3 equal to 3 into for the a value 0.2, for the b value 0.3, next 0.1. So the value is all places only plus only 3 2s are 6, 6 3s are 18. Again 3 2s are 6, 6 3s are 18. So what is the point? 1 2 3, 3 2 are 6, 6 3 are 18, 18 ones are 18 kadandi. So like that 1 2 3, 3 points, 1 2 2 ne untayi ikkada. So 3 points before 3 numbers before better point. So like that equal 0.018. That is the answer. See the next one. Given possible expressions for the length and breadth of the rectangle whose area is given. The given for you the area. You want to find out the length and breadth. What the area? 4a square plus 4a minus 3. What the given length? Sorry, not length and breadth. You want to find out. The given for you whose area is given. Area is given. But the area of rectangle. Area of rectangle. Okay, now area of rectangle is the expression 4a square plus 4a minus 3. Okay, now 4a square plus 4a minus 3 is given for you. You want to do the factorization because of what the area of rectangle L into B. You want to find out L value and B value. See what is the area of rectangle L into B. That equal to what the factorization? Minus 12a square. So 6 2's a minus only no here minus 6 minus 2. So 4a square plus 6a minus 2a minus 3. So what is the common? 2 into 2a plus 3. Next minus 1 common. So 2a plus 3. Same is there. So 2a plus 3 into outside what value? 2a kadandi, sorry, common తీసుకుంటే 2a అందుకని 1a ఉంటుంది. ఇక్కడ కూడా a కామన్ తీసాం కాబట్టి 3 మిగులుతుంది. సో what the common 2a common. Okay. So 2a minus 1 like that. So length into so L value is 2a plus 3. What is the breadth value? 2a minus 1. ఎలా తీసుకోవచ్చండి? L value 2a minus 1, breadth value 2a plus 3. Like that you want to show. Do the second one also same. 25a square minus 35a plus 12. Do the factorization. See the next one, 16th one. What are the possible polynomial expressions for the dimension of the cuboid whose volumes are given below? Same question andi. Okay na. What are the possible values? Polynomial expressions. They given for you value of cuboid in the polynomial. Okay na. Oka polynomial la ichadandi. Same like this question only. See value of cuboid See, volume of cuboid. X power 3 minus 12x. Okay, now see what is the volume of cuboid? Already know. Length into breadth into height, that equal to what is the common here? 3x. 3 unnadi ikkada, x kuda common undi. So like that, x square minus 4 will come. So 3x into 4, it will be written as 2 power 2. So what is the formula? Identity a square minus b square, that equal to a plus b into a minus b, that equal to 3x into a plus b ante x plus 2, a minus b ante x minus 2, that is the values. So length into breadth into height, like that you want to do. Next one also same, 12y square plus 8y minus 20. Do the factorization. See the last one, 17th one. You want to show that a is equal to b, but the given 2 into a square plus b square into a plus b whole square. By going to inside, it will become 2a square plus 2b square. So it is in the form of identity a plus b whole square, that equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. By going to inside, 2a square plus 2b square. So that equal to what is the value? A square plus b square plus 2ab. Okay, now these three terms in the RHS side. By coming to LHS side, it will become a square. So minus a square, b square minus b square plus 2ab is there. By coming to this side, minus 2ab. So 2a square plus 2b square minus a square minus b square minus 2ab equal to 0. See, ఇక్కడ 2a squares ఉన్నాయి ఇక్కడ, only 1a square this is. So positive and negative, you want to do the subtraction. It will become a square, 1a square వస్తుంది. So it is also same, 1b square, 1b square and b square and it is same. So minus 2ab. So it is in the form of identity a square plus b square minus 2ab, that equal to a minus b whole square. Okay, now square in the power of 2. By coming to RHS, in the power of, it will become 1 by 2. So root అవుతుందండి. So a minus b root 0, a minus b equal to root of 0. So ఏమవుతుందండి, a minus b equal to root of 0 అయిపోతుంది. root of 0 అంటే మళ్ళీ 0 నే కదా, it will become 0 only. Okay, 0 power 1 by 2 అలా అని చెప్పొచ్చు. 0 power 1 by 2 అంటే 0 only, like that. So a is equal to ఏమవుతుందండి, b minus b is there. By going to RHS, it will become positive b. So a is equal to b. You want to show that. Hence proved. Like that you want to do. This is the important chapter for you.